Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I am going to be going thrifting and look at what I found. This Art Deco chalkware and it's from the mid-centuries. I'm gonna take it with. And I paid $3 for this. And this basket, $1.25. Nope, $1.50. I'm also gonna take it. I think it's a good bargain. It's beautiful. So now let's see what I can create with this beautiful basket. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it really nice, take all this dust and whatever else it has. Look at this chalkware. This is so beautiful. I am in love with this piece. As I said before, I only paid $3. And I also purchased these two box frames. This one was $1, and then this one I like it just as is. I'm gonna keep it the way it is, and I only paid $2 for this one. I think this is so beautiful. And this is a little ceramic bridge. I'm gonna put this to the side and I'll probably use this at a future DIY. And now this, I'm gonna take this like, I don't know, I think these are like medallions. So I'm gonna remove this out of here because I'm gonna be distressing this basket with this khaki color, and I'm gonna give it a very heavy distress to the entire piece. I have this leftover piece of rope from Dollar Tree. I took it apart and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it on the entire handle. Isn't this looking already so beautiful? Just as is. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing these medallions in place, but before that I'm gonna take this khaki color and I'm gonna give it one coat to both of the medallions. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this metallic gold paint and I'm gonna just dip my finger in it, and then I'm just gonna rub on the medallion just to give it that little gold touch.
We can talk it over, that's okay.
I'm going to be using a lot of hot glue. I want to make sure that these don't fall off. And I'm just going to go ahead and put them right exactly where they were at in each corner. And of course, now we are going to add the floral. This is going to turn out so beautiful. I am so excited about this little basket. To me, I think it came out amazing, but I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this beautiful DIY. Today is a third Thursday thrift flip open invite, and it takes place every third Thursday of each month. And we have two hosts, Rustic Chic Designs with Elizabeth and The Rusted Willow with Tammy, and their co-host this month is MB Gray Designs with Mary Beth. Please make sure to visit all of these talented creators along with the playlist. I'll make sure to have it down in my description box for your convenience. Please make sure once again to visit them, give them a lots of love by sharing, subscribing, liking, and don't forget to watch their videos all the way until the end so you won't miss none of their inspiration. And now let's continue with our second project. Guys, do not blink because you'll miss it. I'm going to go ahead and melt this candle. I'm going to give it 5 minutes. And all I did was pour it in here. So I'm holding the wick with a straw. Once the wax is secure in place, I will patiently wait several hours before I light up the candle. If you found this effortless and effective DIY enjoyable, kindly consider subscribing. Here is another simple and quick DIY. I'm gonna go ahead and give it 2 coats with this khaki color in the inside.
Even if the sky is turning gray, ooh.
And with this pale yellow, I'll give it 1 coat to the entire outside frame and inside.
It's okay. We'll find a path to do it all our way.
And with the same khaki color, I'm going to go ahead and distress the entire frame. I purchased several of these little sandals at a grab bag from Michael's. I'm going to be using this one to put inside this beautiful frame.
I'm a place for you to sing your heart away. We can talk it over, that's okay. I promise to the love we always feel.
I'm gonna go ahead and give it 1 coat with the same pale yellow to these beautiful little bitty glasses. I also have this little pre-made bowl from a different project, and I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue it right here in the corner, and then I'll glue in the glasses right on top of the bowl. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you for staying until the end of my video. If you find this content enjoyable, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking, as your support plays a critical role in the growth of my channel. And now for the final reveal. I hope you enjoy it.